In this video, I will show you how to apply Uber Eats delivery job in Canada. Now, in order to apply to a delivery job, what you can do is you can first head over and then install the Uber Eats application as you can see right here on your screen. Now, from in there, just go to your account option and then you should be able to see all of this. So what you can do is you can scroll down and then click on this earn by driving or delivering. Just click on that, and then once you have done that, this will actually show you up or redirect you to this browser. Now from this, you can see this plug icon. So click on this plug icon right here and then just look for the Canada country on this list. So let's scroll down. Here's Canada right here. Just click on it and then just enter in here Canada phone number. Then click on this update option. And then once you have verified your identity, you should be able to have a job as Uber delivery rider. So that's how you apply Uber Eats delivery job in Canada. I hope this video helped you out.